My name is Arnon Roseanne, and I'm President and CEO of Garrison Flood Control. And today, I'm here to talk to you about our YellowFIN flood panel system. When connecting YellowFIN the first time to your opening, you're going to set the panel up against the wall, and then through the pre-drilled hole, you're going to mark the locations of these holes on the wall. You're going to remove the panel and drill that hole to receive the drop-in anchor bolt. We recommend using an epoxy when placing the drop-in anchor bolt for additional strength, but most of the pressure is going against the building, so the pull strength is not as important as keeping it in position solidly. Once that drop-in anchor bolt is set and is in position, and you have multiple drop-in anchor bolts on the panel, you're going to go and position that panel again and insert the black turn bolts into the pre-drilled holes, into the anchor bolts, and tighten those down. Once those are tightened down solidly, that's your opportunity, if you haven't installed this panel before, to drill your bottom bolt holes. Once you've tightened this down, we'll get marked, you'll remove the panel, you'll drill out the holes, drop in the drop-in anchor bolts, and then when you're ready to install the panel for the first time, you attach these M12 bolts with the Allen wrench and tighten it down into the anchor bolt. An install typically will take about 30 minutes per door once you've gotten the hang of drilling these drop-in anchor bolts and mounting them into position. However, when you're just installing the panel, it's simply a matter of positioning the panel and tightening the turn bolts and using the Allen wrench to tighten the bolts into the ground below. Now that your panel's installed, it's ready to handle any floodwaters that come in. And when those floodwaters come in, they're going to press against the panel and actually enhance the seal further. So you're going to improve the protection as the water level rises.